Yo guys, what's up? Wanted to make this little update video. Looks like my account is down quite a bit today, 5% down. You can see here the profit loss is I'm down $1,539.19 from when I opened all these positions. I'm only down $373 just today. So let me go through a couple of these and show you what's going on. So Workhorse, we talked about. There was a floor on Workhorse at $16 and $15. They had some really bad news, and I was trying to catch a falling knife again, and it didn't seem to work out. It busted right through the $15 level, and it seems like it's still going down. So I'm not sure where it's going to end, but I really like the company. So I might have to roll these options to the next month. We'll see what happens when it gets closer to expiration. Still have a couple weeks before expiration. So we'll see if it recovers slightly or hovers around the $13 to $15 range. Might be able to still make a profit. Riot. Bitcoin has gone down a little, and it looks like Riot had a floor that it kind of busted through at 50, and the next one's around 40 or 35, I forget, but it looks like it's hovering around 40 today. So this might not be a bad thing in the long run. You can see the puts that I bought at 35 and 30 actually made money for today and since they opened, but it doesn't match the losses. So this is a back spread. In order to make money, it would have to drop down to like 20 or so to actually make money on the back spread. So we're going to just keep an eye on this. Still got a little ways to go. There's only one. If I roll Riot now, I don't think it'll do very well. If I roll it, what happens? I get $153. That's pretty good. Because I'm guessing volatility has went up substantially. Therefore, the volatility is built in. So, you can actually go, let's look at Riot quick. Oh, you can see here, yep, there's some support at 50, and then not really again support until 20. So if it drops down to 20, I'll make money on the back spread. But it looks like it's pretty negative right now, and it's still going to go more negative. And the options of volatility is extremely high. It's over 200%. That's crazy. And the expected move of plus or minus $15. That's huge. $20. All right. So let's go back to Go EV. You can see I had a put in. I didn't do a back spread or anything. This is a roll from a previous month. So I've lost a little bit of money on there. Still could recover. If I roll, could make a little bit. But I have to investigate that a little bit more. Fubo. There was a lot of volatility in that stock. Looks like it's people are taking some profits. Had a big run up, so we'll see how that turns out. And BlackBerry was I started playing BlackBerry back when BlackBerry was popular, along with GameStop, and looks like hasn't really recovered. So I might be able to roll those forward, although it's almost double now, so I might have to actually take the stock at some point. You only get $5 for rolling. So we'll see what happens there. It's only a week though, so you can play with that. So anyway, guys, it's just a quick update on this small portfolio that I have, and some potential mitigations moving forward. I'm going to make another video once we get closer to expiration, or actually make a move on these and roll them forward. I'll show you guys how to fix your mistakes, or how to get out of trouble here a little bit. You can see my buying power, available dollars. It's way down, $868. So, alright guys, if you want to learn more about options, learn how to get out of these difficult situations, and how to not lose money, hopefully, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. Help this video get some popularity. Alright guys, thanks for watching.